Say hello. Want to take a picture? Yeah, take a picture. Gio, stop. Gio. Come on. Gio. You want to come at night? Come on.
You can try. Nope.
Come on.
Nobody there.
All right, well, I guess the cheese. Come on, Gio, get in it.
You know, you would think you have the sun more. You're almost in the color. Go ahead.
All right, let's go to the next one. Yee. Thank you. Oh, my. Trick or treat. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, to the next one. Come on. Oh, look, Gio, go take a picture from last time. Come on. Look, Evelyn, you want to take a picture right there? Here, let's take a picture right there. Right here, look. Right there. Come on. Keep walking. Say trick or treat. Say trick or treat. Open your bag, mamas. Open your bag. Say trick or treat. Oh, sorry. Say trick or treat. And then my bag. Thank you.